Good morning, scientist. Today you will be completing a mystery science for your science activity. This is going to take us 3 days. So it's important that you are following along with directions and you are reading your document carefully. So to get started, of course, you're going to read your mystery science directions right here. And then you will click on the mystery science link. Once you open up that link, it will look like what you've seen us use in the classroom. And all you'll have to do is push the play button. And you're going to watch the series of exploration videos. These are just those little clips from Mystery Doug to get you thinking about the activity and the lesson for today. So you'll watch each video. After you get done with a video, you'll push the blue arrow and then you'll have a discussion question. So typically we would talk about these discussion questions in class. So I want you to pause when you get to any of these white slides, the discussion slides, and I want you to think about them in your head. After you've thought about it and you've thought about the question, then you can push the blue arrow again. It will have another video for you. These are only about 3 minutes long each. And then again, you'll pause at these discussion questions to think about the answers in your head. Another video, another discussion question. After you get done with the exploration videos, you will have an activity. These are the activities that we would typically do in the classroom with partners because they would use a lot of materials and because it's nice to use partners' help. But today, unfortunately, you're going to be doing this independently, which is why I've broken it into 3 days that we're going to be doing this activity with. So, whenever you see the activity slide, you're of course going to push the play button to listen to the directions, but any of the worksheets or resources that they talk about in this activity, I have put onto this document right here. So again, it says the activity, the mystery video we would typically do with partners. You're going to be completing a few of these steps today because we're going to break it down into 3 days. And it says for this one to stop after mystery step 7. So all of your directions and steps for today are below. So you will just go through the videos, watch them,
In today's activity,
and skip. So, as the directions said, today we are only going to do the first few steps and we are going to stop at step 8. So, once you get to this part, you're going to stop and we will be doing that tomorrow for the next day. So, all of your work is going to be done on this document, and those mystery science video clips will walk you through it as well. For the last step, step 7, it's asking about if the town of Boulderville, which you are from, should use the type of resource that you are experimenting with on today's activity, which is wind. So you're going to make a claim if Boulderville should use wind energy or if they should not. You're going to give your evidence. Your evidence is information that you have learned from the activity, like is there enough wind in your town, maybe? Or is there enough space in your town for a windmill? And then your reasoning is explaining that evidence and how it supports your claim. So, explaining why or why not it would work or why it would not work. So, friends, those are your mystery science steps for today. Remember, we're breaking this down into 3 days. So you only have to do the first few steps. You are going to stop when it asks you to go to Ranch Town. You will be doing that tomorrow.